Okay, so mga kapatid, napakahalaga po ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon patungkol po sa love. What is love? So the Bible is very clear that love is the primary objective of life, and love is the supreme value in life, and love is the greatest power in life. So napakahalaga po mga kapatid na maintindihan natin ang tungkol po sa pag-ibig. So ano po ba ang sinasabi ng Bible? What is love? Okay, number 1, the Bible says that love is a command. The word command. God commands that we love each other. It's not optional. If we don't do it, the Bible says that we are sinning. So nagkakasala po tayo pag hindi natin inisip o ginawa ang pag-ibig. So the Bible says in 2 John chapter 1 verse 6, love means doing what God has commanded. He has commanded us to love one another. Some of you say, I can live without love. No, you cannot. You can exist without love, but you cannot live without it. And you cannot please God without it. Because the Bible says, God has commanded us to love each other. Love is not feeling, it creates feeling. It produces feelings. Love causes feelings, but love is not an emotion. If you think it is, you have a very shallow understanding of love. It creates emotion, but love is not an emotion. So you need to understand that when people say, I feel love, you're feeling an emotion, but love is more than that. God would never command you to do something that He does not give you the power and the ability to do. And you cannot always control an emotion. Kaya mga kapatid, ang sabi po sa John chapter 13, malinaw po na binanggit mga kapatid na Apostol 1 ang patungkol po sa pag-ibig. Basahin po natin John chapter 13 verse 34 and 35. Isang bagong utos ang ibinibigay ko sa inyo. Mag-ibigan kayo. Kung paanong inibig ko kayo, gayon din naman mag-ibigan kayo. Kung kayo'y mag-iibigan, makikilala ng lahat na kayo'y mga alagad ko. Kaya mga kapatid, itanim po natin sa ating isipan, the Bible says that love is a command. Kaya mga kapatid, maging masunurin po tayo. If you love me, keep my commandments. So you must share this video. Okay, I love you all. I love you with the love of the Lord. Thank you so much and more blessing sa bawat isa.